Hey everybody, snap. This man DJ Simmons 1 2 3 4. I'm about to do.
Johnny, someone's calling you on the game.
Press X. No, I called back. Okay, I got the A&W Pop Tart and the Crush Pop Tart.
Ew.
Well, I don't know which one it is. So let's mix it up. Mix it up, dude. I know. I'll come back in a second. Okay, mix it up, dude. Mix it up.
Once again, I do not approve of this message.
Who cares?
That was my little sister Keon.
And don't eat chicken. Okay, we're doing this one.
This is the A&W.
How do you know?
Feel.
You just think?
I can feel it. This is the Mario, my little sister.
Oh, so done great. Oh, put this.
What?
Oh, it smells so good.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I got your phone.
Well, this
Put-
one is the best smelling one
Oh, my
so
bad.
far.
Oh, there's only 2. Okay, just put that in the toaster. Okay, Mario.
Yeah, good jelly.
Okay. Oh, dude, let's go.
Yeah, we got the little dressers. No, we didn't. No,
Here, try this.
they didn't have a little dresser, so I got this other thing.
Yeah.
What do you think? Move a little bit more in the camera.
Nah, not that good.
I think it's pretty good.
Bag.
Yeah, so that's how you can touch.
Mario.
Then don't touch.
I'm putting it in the bag right here. Just drive around a little.
No.
Fine.
How do you zoom out?
Not bad.
L2.
I don't like it.
You don't like it. Okay. Go eat the toasted one.
Ain't nobody steal nothing? No.
And here's the Crush.
Should have been cleaned up.
Put down.
Oh.
Put that one. Right back to the
She was
toaster.
like, where are you? I said, I'm out shopping. She said, well, ain't nobody at your house? I said, Johnny should be here. She said, well, the door is wide open. I've been calling their names and nobody came. I went in the house. And the TV is off. She said, the black car is not in the yard.
Okay, I'm about to use this. I'm doing 2 different versions, the toasted and
So I said,
non-toasted.
not toasted. So this one is toasted
So
A&W
that
Pop
means
Tart.
he's not there. So Sonny and I'm not playing video games? She said, nope. I said, where you going? She said, what you want me to do? I said, you
So
have to be over here and make sure it's locked.
Better.
And she was like, well, but they ain't got that key. I said, if they ain't got that key, too bad.
Not bad. This is
I
better.
was like, I said, too bad if they ain't no key, but yeah, lock the door.
Oh my goodness, quiet down. We're done no
Yeah,
video.
when we come on
Toasted
vacation
is
time,
way better.
you better scenery.
I have to admit, toasted is a little bit better.
That's Tupac right there, Deonza.
Where?
On that song. Miss
That's pretty good.
Ronita, I'm home
Yeah.
now if you want to come back over.
Okay, go get the toasted.
Oh, okay, well, I'll be here.
And this is the Crush Pop Tart.
All right. Bye. It's a I told you it's a regular.
You really taste the orange in this.
Thanks for coming over. Yeah,
In the root beer one, you can kind of taste the root beer.
Babe, put your socks down and hold.
And it is a chocolate Pop Tart too, so that's something.
What did you record?
This is
Oh,
not
it's-
bad. This is not
For what?
kind of smelling good.
Please.
Come on,
I
Mario.
don't understand.
Doing what you think?
What's the recording for?
50-50. Please don't bubble up.
Hey.
Don't nobody want to see y'all eat no Pop-Tarts. It's a challenge.
You're messing up. You know that.
Mom, it's a challenge. A challenge?
It's not a challenge. Oh my goodness. You're messing everything up.
Okay, whatever. It's time to eat one
My goodness. I can never do anything ever again. You guys just leave again, go to the store.
I don't feel like
We'll be right back.
Go back to the store,
Why don't
please.
you go back to the store?
We'll be on commercial. Commercial break. That blue.
Go back to the store.
Be quiet, you big
Please.
I'm
We're
trying to
making a
drive you.
video.
Damari, you leaked.
I'm trying to drive here.
Either way, tastes pretty good. You really taste the orange.
Stop it.
Okay, here, taste the toasted. Bunny.
I got it. Mom, where's my
I say I like it better without the toasted. So out of everything, I say A&W is better.
Yeah, me too. Toast is not that good.
Crush is not that good, it really isn't.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Crush is terrible.
Oh yeah, that's
So A&W wins all overall. No doubt.
A&W.
Salad.
So thank you. You just said minutes 1, 2, 3, 4 out. See you guys later. Please like, share, subscribe. And here's Delaney.
Peace.
Peace.